In an emergency, the aircraft has to land on water. Then wear your life jacket like this. Clip on the waistband around your waist and pull it tight. Pull the red tag to inflate your life jacket. Your life jacket has an oral tube for further inflation. The light comes on when in contact with water and here's the whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft, 2 main doors in the rear of the aircraft, 4 over the wings and 2 main